Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel, EB Graphics Academy. On this channel we dedicate this channel to teaching graphic design and what you need to do to succeed. Our content is dedicated to helping to solve the problem of graphic design and also helping you succeed as a graphic designer. Now in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make this simple text effect. I've been using it in some of my design. You can see this shining text effect. As you can also see it, right, it's very easy. You can also see it here also. All right, so that's the text effect I'm going to be teaching you how to make today. All right, before we start quickly, if you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe, please. If you are here to do that, hit the subscription button if you are here to do that. And then next, quickly make sure you drop a comment in the comment section of what you think about this content. If there is any content you would like to see as a graphic designer, please don't forget to drop it in the content, and also try to share this video, try to share this channel with your friends that are interested in learning graphic design. Let them know they can learn. I'll tell you, a lot of amazing videos are going to be dropping on these channels, amazing graphic design flyers. You just let me know what you want me to design, ready from flyer designs to logo designs, and also how you can begin to earn as a graphic designer. This and many more are the things you are going to be learning on this channel. I promise it's going to be a unique channel, different from the rest. So without wasting our time, let's go into what we have for today. So so this is it. So this is the channel. This is the text effect. You can see it. So we start from afresh. We start from the beginning. So you just create the size of this. Is come to your size. I believe you know your size too. Click on the three dots. Okay. So when you click on the three dots, you select your size. Select size. All right. So you come to your custom size. Click on this. Click on your, what's it called? All right, you click on this little button there. All right, then you choose YouTube thumbnail. That's the size we are using, 1280 by 220 by 720. Sorry. All right, so this is it. So you leave your background color as white. I believe you already know how to do some of these things, so I won't waste much time talking. You leave your background color as white. All right, so quickly you go to your text. You can use any text of your choice. You can pick any text of your choice. Just do okay, let's call it shiny text effect. So we use the word shiny as a word. So we increase it to any size of your choice. All right, you can use any font of your choice, but I'll be using this particular font. Outer Sun, that's the name of the font. Outer Sun Black, that's the name. Outer Sun Black. All right, so you can download it. All right, so let me reduce this a little bit. So this is the font I'll be using, Outer Sun Black. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is you want to duplicate the layer of this text and make sure it is 3. Now you hide the first 2 layers. All right, so you start with the last layer. You start with this layer. All right, so you can give it any color of your choice. For this tutorial I want to give it a gradient red, so let's just give it a gradient red. Okay, so let's give it a gradient red. So this is the red color we are going to be using. Red coming down into okay, a gradient red. All right, so this is the gradient we are going to be giving to it. So this is it. Now for the first layer of the color, we have given it red. The next thing you want to add your stroke. Go and add your stroke to the first layer. Add your stroke. Okay. Add your stroke to this. Add your stroke. All right, your stroke, you can leave your stroke at 1. This is your stroke. Leave it at 1. And then the color of the stroke should be white. All right, make it white, or you can make it any other choice of your color. All right, and then go straight to your emboss. Go to your emboss. Believe you know how to locate your emboss. Switch it on. Leave this light angle at 90 degrees. Let it be at, your intensity should come to 61. Your ambient light should go to 60. Your ambient light should go to 60. And then your hardness should come a little bit to 56. Okay, a little bit to 56. You can just play around this to achieve whatever you want to achieve to 56. All right, so that's it for the first layer. This, mind you, this is going, you can see already we are already having something cool here. So let's go to you move this layer to the middle layer. So this is going to be your second layer. All right, so you put on the first layer now. Put on the first layer. This is the first layer. For the first layer, you make it all right, you give it a white color. You give it a white color. Yeah, okay. So you give it a white color, and then you, maybe I should contrast the background so that you can see what we are doing here very well. Okay, right? Yeah. So you give it a white color, and then give it a stroke. Give it a stroke. All right, give it a stroke. Your stroke can be brought to, what's it called? Okay, quickly, we want to leave our stroke at 4. Leave your stroke at 4. Again, the color of the stroke should be white. Okay, yes, white. And then quickly, you want to go to what's it called? Okay, no, okay, yes, yeah. Bring your color, the color of your stroke should be 1, and then you want to come quickly to, let's leave it at 4, yeah, 4. So quickly you want to come to what's it called? All right, go to your shadow. Go to your inner shadow. Put on your shadow. Now your shadow, reduce the opacity to 52, somewhere around 50. Yeah. All right, so quickly you want to go to the blur. The blur should be brought to 3. Bring the blur to 3. All right, and then your off x should be +3, while your y should be 4. All right, so you click on your check mark, you go to your inner shadow, click on your inner shadow, put it on. For your inner shadow, you want to leave the color as white also. White. Or let's try something else here. Yeah, you want to leave, remember this is not going to be, you want to leave it as white, and then you want to go to, you leave it as white, and then you go to your blur and leave your blur at 3. Your blur, so you leave the off x white and off x 0, leave the both of them. All right, so you go to your emboss. Your ambient light should be around 320, 329, sorry, 329. Yeah, so you can leave your intensity here. Just leave every other thing like this. Leave every other thing like this. All right, leave every other thing like this, and you put it on. Okay, so this particular one, align it to the center. Use your relative position to align to the center. So you align to the center. Okay, yeah. So for this one also, you align to the center. Yeah, now you take this white layer to the back. All right, yeah, you're almost done. So this last layer, you move it to the fore. Now that will bring your, remember the red layer is at the middle. All right, so you come to this particular one, you put it on. Now this is what we are going to use to create the shiny effect. So you come to your color. Right, so this is it. I already have it here to save the color, so I'll just show you how it is done. Okay, so we actually use 5 slides. All right, 5 slides. This first slide is white. See, everything is white. All right, for the first slide, let me show you. For the first slide, this is it. So for this first slide, this is your first slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, and fifth slide. Okay, now for the first slide, you click on it, you give it a white color. Okay, then you move this last slide, last button, move it to the end to make it transparent, and then you come to the second one, you do the same thing for the second one. The second one can come to this point, not to the end completely. Then this middle one, this middle one, I'm moving around this side. Then this is the color. Can you see it is white, but it should not be white completely. Move it around this place, just in between, but not too between. That's the transparency now, just somewhere around here, and then come to this place. Then this next one should be okay. This next one, you can see it is white, but it is not completely white. You move it to this end here. All right, that's the first slide. You move it to this end, so you have the last one. Last one should be transparent. All right, there, this one also move to this point also. That's the last one. Sorry. Okay, so the last slide, yes, the last slide is transparent completely. All right, so this is how you achieve something now. The fourth slide that I'm moving, this fourth slide, okay, let me quickly, this fourth slide, the fourth one, move it to climb the third slide and let it align in such a way that it's aligned in a straight way. But then the make sure the white is what's it called, is reflecting upward and not downward. Okay, so and the line form in between should be straight, should be very straight. Okay, so you can put it, yeah, we're okay like this. So you click on your okay. Can you see it now? So quickly you go to your, you have to give it stroke also. Come to your stroke, give it a stroke. Your stroke should be white. Give it 1, make sure it is 1. All right, then you can also add go back. Okay, make sure it is white. You can reduce the size, you can reduce the brightness a little bit. Then you click on, you can add inner shadow if you choose your inner shadow. You can see, if you add inner shadow, you can see the effect that has added. You can see the effect that has added. So what you need to do is quickly, you can put it off if you like, you can put it on if you like. So you click it. Now the next thing to do is you want to align this to the center also. Now you can see, here we go, you have your crazy shiny text effect. Okay, so how do you use this text effect in your design? You just need to save the 3 of them. Come to this point, click on this particular point, click on this particular point. All right, okay, no, click on your text, click on your text, click on the text, click on your text. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay, click on any of the text, click on any of the text. So we click on the first one, you click on your text. When you click on the first one, that is this first one, align it to the center again, align it to the center, come back. Do you see this style? That is where you save them. Okay, I already have them saved. So this is the style. Click on your style, then you click on save. Already I've saved mine, so I don't need to click on it again. So just click on saved. Okay, so if you click on save now, click on save, can you see it will save it to your style. Okay, so now you save the 3 layers. After you have saved the 3 layers, if you want to use it, see, this is how I'm going to use this thing now. Just click on your style and then click on browse my style. Can you see I already have them saved? Okay, so if I click on the first one, this is it. Copy it, go to your style again for the next one, my style, You click on the white. Can you see? Take it backwards. So this is how you can use it for your design. Anytime you want to use it for your design, you copy it again. The next one, go to your style. You have to save the 3 layers to be able to use it. Then you click on the transparent layer. Can you see? This is how you can use the text. Can you see how I'm able to create this one now? You just save it on your style. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question in regard to this. So anticipate more what's it called, more text effect on this channel. See ya.